Hi, my name is Joëlle and I'm enrolled in the Public Relations program. I'm from Mauritius and I moved here because I've always wanted to come to Canada, and I chose Algonquin College because of the culture it has for its students. I chose Public Relations because I love writing, problem solving, and I love people too, so it kind of combined everything that I love into one program. What drew me to Algonquin College was the environments that the students have for studying and also how hands-on everything is. You get work experience in a college, which is amazing. The professors have been wonderful. They are so kind to us, and because the classrooms are smaller, they get to be more interactive with each one of us. And also what I love about Algonquin are the events that are hosted for students. They're so much fun and they really do care about the students. The International Education Center has been wonderful. They've really helped me integrate into Canada, especially moving to a different country. There's a lot of fears that we have, so the sessions that you host really do help us to understand what we're walking into and feel supported throughout. It's not just about schoolwork, it's about community, it's about working together, and I really just love it. My advice to anyone who's attending Algonquin College is to really dive into everything, really soak it all in and enjoy the experience.